Hello everyone, it's Ann here, and today I'm going to show you the best way to print these ear savers on a dual extrusion printer. For example, the Ultimac S5 or the Craftbot Flow IDEX XL. So this is a stack of 100 ear savers that I just printed on the Ultimac S5. As you can see, 50 of them were printed using Fillamentum turquoise blue PLA, and 50 of them were printed using Ultimaker breakaway material, which is the white bit here. And I stopped at 100 because I think it's a good size for this stack. But if you want, you can keep going to 200, 300, I think, and you shouldn't have any problem at all. So why do we want to print these ear savers in a stack like this? Well, apart from the obvious reason that you can maximize your productivity, it's easier to clean in a whole stack like this, and it's easier for packaging because these are really rigid and they don't become loose when you put them in a box. The coolest thing about this is when it comes to the point of use, all you have to do is peel off the one on the top. So for example, if I want a new ear saver now for myself, all I need to do is peel off the one on the very top of the stack. So this new ear saver is printed using Ultimaker breakaway material, and if I want another one for my colleague, I can just peel off another one on top, just like that. And this one was made using Fillamentum turquoise blue PLA, and then I can put the rest of them in a box so I won't contaminate them. Is it cool? I think it's pretty cool. I will continue to make the face shields and these ear saver for as long as I can. If you want to give me a hand, or if you want to support me, please feel free to go on my new GoFundMe page and donate as much as you like. For now, thank you for watching. If you have any problem or any question, let me know in the comments. If not, stay safe, and I see you next time. Bye bye.